Here's the easiest way to self-crack your own back. Start by laying on your back, and then you can take up one knee. Then you want to take your opposite hand and place it on that knee. From here, take your head, turn it all the way to the opposite direction. So in this case, I'm taking my left knee and turning my head to the left. From here, on my exhale, I'm going to bring the knee across my body like this. To take it to the next level, I'm going to take this other hand and place it right on my SI joint. And as I bring this knee over, I'm going to give a little push. It looks like this. Nice inhale, exhale.